Hello, I am Michael Vetter, and I'm the new CFO at Maui Dog Films. We'd like to take a moment and depart from the levity and the humor to wish each and every one of you a very Merry Christmas and a safe and Happy New Year from all of us at Maui Dog Films. And with that, Kell would like to play you a little Christmas music.
Hit it! Christmas!
That was not Christmas music.
Yeah. It's the only song I know. One more time!
And with that, we are wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas!